Hi, I'm Rick Lees. Today we're going to talk about boxes. Not that kind of boxes, you guys. We're going to talk about mounting electrical boxes to stud walls. Probably the most common method is to use one of our box brackets with a built-in far side box support. Assemble it with the mud ring, put it together, and then you just take it, mount it on the stud, take your screws, screw gun, and screw it up there. It has some nice features, centerline marks and all that sort of thing. It's really millions of them out there. A little quicker way to do it would be to use our MSF clip. It's a little bang-on clip. You bang it onto the side of the box. Take one of our far side box supports. In this case, it's the 766 PM. We have a 766 PMD, which is blue, to mark the deep box, shallow boxes. Pop it in the back of the box, bang it on. Got your clip on one side, got the far side support on the other. Just walk up to your stud, pop it on there, and you're good to go. The quickest way to go is with our CADDY All-in-One style. Comes out of the box, mud rings in place, back plates in place, far side box supports in place. Put it up to the stud, run the screws in, and you're good to go.